guys, welcome back to my channel, Make It With Mecca. I am your host, Mecca. So today I was doing my skincare routine and I thought I would show you guys how I do my DIY charcoal mask. So I have already steamed my face, I've already exfoliated, washed. So this is my face now. I am fighting an infection still, so I do have red patches all over the course of my skin, but no bumps. So my pores have already been opened by the steaming, so it's the perfect time to make my charcoal mask. So I thought I'd show you guys how I do make mine. So there's a few things you'll need for this simple DIY charcoal mask. The first thing is a mixing bowl. I actually bought this face mixing bowl from Amazon, and I also have a little brush with it. The next thing you'll need is charcoal powder. So I always have charcoal on hand in this little container. I have a whole bag of charcoal powder that's 8 ounces and I got it from Amazon a long time ago. So I'm still using it, it's still good. So I just have one in this little carry-on container so that it's easier for me to use for individual use. And the last ingredient you will need is glue. So this is washable, no-run school glue. It's safe, non-toxic. And so this is what we're gonna use to make the mask stick. Okay, so right here I'm just mixing my charcoal in. I did put a little bit too much, but I just eye it. However much you feel like you'll need, that's how much you go for. You do need a little bit more if you're gonna do your whole face, but I'm just gonna be doing my cheeks and around my nose and my chin. So I just eye the amount of glue and I just mix it up until it is the right consistency. So this is how much I have. This is pretty much the perfect amount that I need. So I'm gonna put it on my face now. So of course, usually when I do this, I do not have my hijab on, but for the sake of this video, I'm just gonna have to keep it on. My pores are still open, so I really wanna put the mask on while it's still moist a little bit, while my skin is still like pliant. So I'm just gonna take some of the charcoal, and I always put it on my cheeks, under my chin, above my lip, and on my forehead. But for today, for the sake of today's video, I'm actually only gonna put it on my cheeks and my nose and around my chin because these are where I have really bad dry patches. So I really need this to peel it off. So what I'm gonna do is just paint on my nose first. And this feels really funny actually, like. Yeah, I had to like fast forward through like all of this because I do ramble a lot. So yeah, I'm basically just painting it all over my cheeks, and like I said before, it's just not going on my whole face. This is my problem area, so I can get rid of this dry skin. Okay, so this is how I put on my charcoal mask. And now I wait for it to dry. So I usually let it air dry while I read or do whatever. But because I'm impatient and I have a lot of things to do tonight before the day is over, I'm gonna go sit in front of the fan. So I'll be back in about 15 minutes and then we can peel this bad boy off. Hey guys, so I'm back and this is my charcoal mask. It's completely dry. So we're gonna just take it off. So when you take off charcoal masks, you usually peel from the bottom up. Sometimes I peel from the sides if I want to get my dry skin off. But this is not really, I'm not really doing this to get rid of like blackheads or anything like most people do. I just do it to peel off the dry skin that I have gathered over the last week. So we're just gonna, I'm not gonna be able to pull it all off at once. So I'm just gonna be peeling piece by piece. Yeah, like I said, this is not all coming off in one piece. Usually I peel it from the bottom and just pull it off in one swoop, but unfortunately it was not working out today. But as I struggle with this, you can see that I'm not peeling from the bottom most of the time. That's because there's dry patches on my skin, so sometimes I peel from the sides just to tear that extra dry skin off. And then usually when I go after blackheads, I do it the proper way. But usually you are supposed to pull from the bottom, guys. So don't follow my example if you're not trying to achieve the results that I got, because this was definitely just for my dry skin. Okay, so the rest is little pieces, so I'm just gonna actually go wash my face and I'll be right back. Yeah, I'm back guys. I've washed all of the charcoal off and I have finished my skin routine. So I immediately put on toner, moisturizer, some rose hip oil, some sunscreen, and then shea butter to seal it all in. So you guys can see how shiny and clear my skin is. Look how it's glowing. Like, yeah, some of it is great lighting, but my skin feels so dewy right now, and it's really soft, and it's a big change from the infection I had. So as long as I stick to this skincare, I should have no problems, and my face should be able to look like this every morning without makeup, because I don't wear makeup. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I hope you guys can make your own DIY charcoal mask soon. It's really easy. I only use 2 ingredients and 1 mixing bowl. So I hope I explained it well for you guys. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please hit that subscribe button and make sure you click that bell for notifications. And I will see you guys again soon. Don't forget to leave me a comment to show me how you liked it. Bye!